G'day all. About a week or two ago I bought this Vinci mechanical drum from Amazon. It was on Amazon Japan for some reason, but it wasn't very much money, and it came a few days ago and I've been putting it together. I did a few mods to it to make it mine. I spray painted this wheel. I spray painted the things that hit the drum, and made up a aluminium wheel to drive it. It's pretty cool. It was, and I've got this spare wheel that I spray painted as well, and I put it up there. I made a plinth, routed that out, worked out a way to secure it onto the wooden plinth, and varnished it. But it's really cool. I haven't used it on a steam engine yet, but the way it works is this will turn, and as these little you can see these are sticking out proud from these wheels, they actuate these. I don't know what you would call these, but I'll show you how it works. Just turn this. It's unbelievably loud. There's a cog down here. There's a cog system down here. I think Leonardo would have wanted it to be operating better than that. So what I'll do, I'll hook it up to a steam engine, and we'll see how we go. But I'll show you a few photos now of me spray painting this and putting it together. It's an unbelievably well made kit. Like, it was a real pleasure to build, total pleasure to build. But I do like the mods that I've done. I like that I spray painted this, and I like that I've made it on a plinth. I think it dresses it up really nicely, and the aluminium flywheel looks really good. So okay, I'll be back in a moment, and I'll have this hooked up to a steam engine, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, boiler's up to steam. Let's see if it works. just stop that then. This is loud. I can't believe that a plastic model can be that loud. It's been a lot of fun. I can't wait for the grandkids to come around and enjoy this. I think they're going to have earmuffs on, because I reckon that's as loud as listening to gunfire. But there you have it, Leonardo da Vinci drum, and been a lot of fun making it. It sure has been some fun steaming it. I'm going to go and have a cup of coffee and give my ears a bit of a rest. I hope you all enjoyed that, and as always, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, I'd love you to subscribe, and I really appreciate you subscribing. And again, all the best, and thanks again. Bye for now.